Hey everyone, let's talk about toothbrushing in this episode. All of us brush our teeth every day, but do you really know how to choose a good toothbrush? We should choose our toothbrush based on these 2 points, which are bristle type and head shape of the toothbrush. It is recommended to use small-headed, soft-bristled toothbrush. With small-headed toothbrush, it can comfortably reach the area that are hard to access. We can brush our teeth more effectively using soft bristled toothbrush, and it is gentle to our gum. Many thought that we can clean better using hard bristled toothbrush, but in fact, it can damage our gum and cause our gum to shrink. Hard bristled toothbrush cause damage to the outer layer of our teeth near the gum line, which is known as abrasion of teeth. Do you know that our teeth consists of 3 layers? The outer layer, enamel, followed by dentine, and the innermost layer, pulp. When abrasion happens, the dentine will be exposed. Inside the dentine, there are tiny tubules which connects to the pulp, which composed of mostly blood vessel and nerve. This is why we will suffer from tooth sensitivity when there is abrasion of teeth. In short, by using small-headed, soft-bristled toothbrush, we will be able to clean our teeth more effectively without hurting our gum. That's all from us in this episode. See you guys in the next videos.